Depositing money into your Bybit account is a simple process. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Create an account. If you don't have an account yet, go to the Bybit website and sign up. Verify your email and complete any required identity verification. Log in. Log into your Bybit account using your credentials. Navigate to the wallet. Once logged in, click on the Assets or Wallet tab at the top right of the page. This section shows your available assets. Select Deposit. In the Wallet section, find and click the Deposit button. You will be prompted to choose which cryptocurrency you wish to deposit. Choose a cryptocurrency. Select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. Bybit will provide the deposit address for that cryptocurrency. Transfer funds. Copy the deposit address and go to your external wallet or exchange. Paste the Bybit address and enter the amount you wish to deposit. Confirm the transaction. Wait for confirmation. After transferring, wait for the network confirmation. The deposited amount will reflect in your Bybit wallet once confirmed.